Hey, what's up guys? Antonio Howl and Hammer. Once again, new tutorial, LED light trim kits, okay? They've been on the market for a while, but I want to do a short tutorial to show you guys how simple these guys are to install. So, we put some new lens kits in this kitchen here a few months ago. So basically, this is how they work. They just clip into your existing light fixture, for what we call as a can. Okay, your existing cans, they have these little light switches on here. You can change the lighting color from a yellow color all the way to a blue color, which is a 5000, I believe. It's, yeah, 5000, so it's more of a blue light. And then they just screw back up in here like this. Now they come in 4-inch for smaller lights, 5 to 6-inch replacement lens kits. And then they just clip into your existing housings, just like so. And they just slide right up in there. That's it. Super easy. Shut the power off though. Now, the savings on this is what's incredible, okay? So if you were to have 10 new light kits in, the new LED trim kits, okay? 10 of those kits cost the same the power as one of your LED, or I'm sorry, one of your regular light bulbs, your 65 watt light bulbs that you would have in one of these cans. So 10 to 1. So it's a huge amount of savings. That's why everything is converting over to LED. They have a lot of new types of trim kits out now where you don't even need to have a box in the ceiling. All you got to do is cut the proper size hole that they recommend right into the drywall. They have a sealed kit where you just wire everything. It just sits up inside the ceiling, and these just clip right into the ceiling, right above the drywall. That's it. Super easy for you guys. DIY project. That's what we love. All right? Thanks, guys. Subscribe. They do make a lot of different types, a lot of different styles. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's. They have a nice assortment there. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for subscribing, you guys. Like us, and Taco has to do a little inspection real quick because I can't pick Fabio up. Does it meet your requirements? Oh, come on. We got to cover your goods here. We got to cover your goods right there. We don't want anybody checking you out. What do you think? I don't think he's too concerned about it, right? He just needs another bone. Kisses. Tell everybody to like us and to subscribe to us. Okay, guys. We'll see you next time, next adventure. Thumbs up.